So today I'm going to be doing another Sephora favorites perfume sampler breakdown video, letting you guys know the highest value, lowest value, largest size, and smallest size of all of the fragrances in this particular set. So the one I'm going to be reviewing today is the Sephora Favorites Deluxe Perfume Sampler, and this is what the box looks like. So in the set there are 10 different fragrances to choose from, and in this one there are 5 that are a higher value and 5 that are a lower value. So the price of this set is $65, so any perfume that you can redeem in the set that is less than $65 is obviously going to be a lower value. And if you know you want that perfume, I would recommend just purchasing that perfume than redeeming it through this set, because obviously you're paying more for the set than you are redeeming for, if that makes sense. So the first fragrance in this set is the Versace Yellow Diamond Eau de Toilette. This is redeemable for the 1 ounce, and the value of this one is $57, so that makes it a lower value since the set is a $60 price. And any of the fragrances in the set that is 1 ounce is going to be a tie for the smallest size. So just so I don't have to say that over and over, if it's 1 ounce, it is tied for the smallest size. Next is the Emporio Armani Because It's You Eau de Parfum. This one is again 1 ounce, and the value of this one is $39. So this one is the lowest value from this set. So if you want this cologne, paying $39 makes more sense than paying $65 for that cologne. So that's what I mean when they are lower value. So if you know you want that cologne, it just makes more sense to buy that one than spending the $65 that it would cost to get the whole set. So the next fragrance is Marc Jacobs Decadence Oh So Decadent. This is the 1 ounce, and this one is valued at $62, again a lower value. Next is the Miu Miu L'Eau Rosé Eau de Parfum. This one is for the 1 ounce, and this one is valued at $61, a lower value. Next fragrance is the Tory Burch Belle Azur Eau de Parfum. This one is for the 1.7 ounce, and this one is valued at $98, so that makes it the highest value from this cologne set, and it's also tied for the largest size. Next is the Tom Ford Black Orchid Eau de Parfum. This one is for the 1 ounce, and this one is valued at $86, so that makes it a higher value. Next is the Prada Candy Sugar Pop Eau de Parfum. This one is for the 1 ounce, and this one is valued at $72, so another higher value. Next is the Stella McCartney Stella Peony Eau de Toilette. This one is for the 1 ounce, and this one is valued at $48, so that is a lower value fragrance. Next is the Tocca Cleopatra Eau de Parfum for the 1.7 ounce, and this one is valued at $72, and it also ties for the largest size. And finally is the Atelier Cologne Orange Sanguine Pure Perfume. This one is for the 1 ounce, and this one is valued at $75, which makes it a higher value. So here's a chart breaking down all of the perfumes, which one is the highest value, lowest value, largest size, and smallest size. As I always say, choose whatever fragrance you like the best, but if you're between some or just want to know what's going to be the best value, then I hope that this video was helpful for you. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram, link is below, and until my next video, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.